की बात करते
सबसे
हैं।
पहले तो ये कि क्या प्यूबिक हेयर रिमूव करना ज़रूरी है?
This is also a personal like choice how to keep it. See,
Okay.
pubic hairs are there for protection. It guides before any bacteria, any random bacteria comes in, it protects. Okay, but if you don't want to keep it, you want to keep it in a particular shape, a pattern, a design, or something, that is also your choice.
डिज़ाइन में भी रखते हैं?
Yeah.
What are you
People.
saying?
Yes, there was a ramp walk happened some years back when they have actually made the pubic wigs.
What?
Yes, and it is actually something that excites people. It's a sort of a
Okay.
fantasy some people have. So there was nothing right and wrong.
Yeah.
Maybe in India it has been perceived as yuck.
No, but wig is actually a little overboard.
Yeah, but yes. Okay. So all sort of things are different to different fantasies levels. How people see it, how they
Okay.
want their partner to keep it.
Right,
They want
right.
it with hair, without hair. That
So from
depends.
hygiene point of view or from sexual health point of view,
हाँ.
होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए?
If it is there, you have to take care of it.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Keep it
If you want
clean.
long hair, you have to maintain it.
Okay.
ठीक है ना. So it's as same as this. कि अगर मुझे
Alright.
ठीक है नहीं. Otherwise, let's start from point one. Okay. One is trimming, which is
Yeah.
the best way.
Okay.
If you don't want it long, again, if you don't want it long, trim it.
Okay.
Use a small size scissor, not a
Alright.
regular bada wala kecha, just a small trim, and just trim it.
Okay.
Till the point you feel I'm comfortable.
Okay.
You can see it through. You can sit it on a घर का चौकी normal वाला जो हमारे उसमें होता है. Sit it, see it there and trim wherever you feel like.
The
कि
safest.
इतना रखना है. The safest way.
Right.
And be slow. कहीं भागना नहीं है trim करके. So keep
Right.
a slower point. Next is if you don't want even a single hair, then we have shaving options. Now we have epilators also coming, this electronic based things. You have to be very precautious because cuts हैं, ठीक है, वहाँ पे excessive hair pulling है,
Right.
तो वहाँ पे अलग से फिर आपको दाने हो रहे हैं, pustules हो रहे हैं, अलग चीज़ें हो रही हैं, तो फिर better if you're using it, be very much cautious and डोंट ओवर डू इट. कई लोग ना बिल्कुल ही सोचते हैं कि फिर मैं बिल्कुल ही अंदर तक क्लीन कर लूँ और वजाइनल हेयर्स को भी क्लीन कर लूँ, वल्वा के मॉन्स प्यूबिस जो अलग अलग एरियाज हैं वहाँ पे भी. यू डोंट नीड टू डू इट. सो if we talk about female reproductive area which we could see, it has mons like the upper symphysis pubis, जहाँ पे hairs टमी के बिल्कुल नीचे जहाँ hairs आते हैं, we call it symphysis pubis, जहाँ पे कट लगता है for the cesarean section.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे हेयर ग्रोथ सबसे ज़्यादा है. ठीक है, मेन को भी वुमेन को भी. तो वहाँ पे अगर आप चाहो तो शेव कर सकते हो या फिर कोई रेजर यूज कर सकते हो क्योंकि वो सेफ है,
सेफेस्ट है, इजीली रीचेबल है.
अगर आप थोड़ा और अंदर जाने की कोशिश करोगे तो वहाँ प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी क्योंकि वो बहुत ही सेंसिटिव स्किन है, प्लस इट्स नॉट डिफाइनेबल, कुछ ऐसे बाउंड्रीज नहीं है. तो